I guess this was an old rail bridge. Look at that fog coming up. Just left Ohiopyle. Had another day of climbing, steady grade. 41 miles to Meyersdale, I believe. It is not warm. Mid-May is still chilly here. Packed everything wet. Everything I own is wet. Everything that I was wearing yesterday was wet. And that's why I'm wearing shorts today, even though it's cold. And just had a big breakfast, pancakes and sausage, hash browns, just carbs, lots of carbs. So let's do this. Day 3. Sun's out. Yes. Been pretty relentless, very slight grade, but you look ahead and all you see is the road tilting upward and round the bend, and it continues to tilt upward. But again, it's better than the roads around here, so I'll take it. Longest hill I've ever been. Just like all day uphill. I hope there's restaurants open. Coming through this door, you walk in. Nice lamp. Through here, and here's the bike storage area. Drying my tent, pretty cool.